हेलो एवरीवन, ज्ञान की यात्रा में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम अध्ययन करेंगे यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन के बारे में। यदि आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो कृपया इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो आइए चलते हैं ज्ञान की यात्रा पर। यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर मोशन, एक समान वृत्तीय गति। When an object moves along a circular path at a constant speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. The motion of a stone tied to a string and whirled in the air at a constant speed is an example of uniform circular motion. जब कोई वस्तु एक वृत्ताकार पथ पर समान चाल से गति करती है तो उसकी गति को एक समान वृत्तीय गति कहा जाता है। जैसे कि तार से बंधे पत्थर को हवा में चक्कर लगाने की गति वृत्तीय गति का एक उदाहरण है। जैसे यहाँ पर एक व्यक्ति पत्थर को एक रस्सी से बांधा गया है और उसे हवा में चारों ओर घुमा रहा है, तो जो ये गति है ये एक समान वृत्तीय गति है यदि ये समान चाल से पत्थर घूम रहा है तो। नाउ एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट थीटा। Angular displacement is defined as the angle subtended by a particle at the fixed center around which it performs circular motion. Let a particle is performing circular motion about a fixed center O. The radius of the circle is R. Now, let at time t is equal to 0, the particle is at position A. And after time t, it is at a point B. Now, in moving from point A to B, the particle subtended angle theta at fixed center. The radius of the circle is R and the angle subtended by particle is theta. Now, angular displacement is theta, angle AOB. Now we know that angle is equal to arc by radius. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to theta is equal to AB upon BO or OA. Delta S upon R. Here AB is equal to delta S and BO is equal to R. Angle is a dimensionless quantity because it is a ratio and unit of angular displacement is radian. Now, angular velocity omega. Angular velocity is defined as the rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time. There, a particle moving in a circular path of radius r in anticlockwise direction. The particle starts its motion from point A. Let at time t1, the particle is at point B and make an angle theta 1. At time t2, the particle is at point C and make angle theta 2. Now, angular velocity omega is equal to change in angular displacement upon change in time. It is equal to theta 2 minus theta 1 upon t2 minus t1. We can write it as delta theta upon delta t. Angular velocity omega is equal to delta theta upon delta t. Now, if delta t is very small, then taking the limit as delta t approaches 0, we can write it as omega is equal to d theta upon dt. Dimensional formula for omega is equal to t minus 1 and unit of angular velocity is radian per second. Now, angular acceleration. Angular acceleration is defined as the rate of change of angular velocity with respect to time. Angular acceleration is equal to change in angular velocity upon change in time. Let if the angular velocity of a particle performing circular motion is omega 1 at time t1 and omega 2 at time t2, then change in angular velocity is omega 2 minus omega 1 upon change in time is t2 minus t1. We can write it as delta omega upon delta t. Now, if delta t is very small, then taking the limit as delta t approaches 0, alpha is equal to limit delta t tends to 0, delta omega upon delta t, then we can write it as alpha is equal to d omega upon dt. Dimensional formula for angular acceleration is t minus 2 and unit of angular acceleration is radian per second square. Now, time period. The time taken to complete one revolution or rotation is called the time period or period. Unit is second. एक परिक्रमण या भ्रमण को पूर्ण करने में लिए गए समय को आवर्तकाल कहते हैं. इसे टी कैपिटल टी से प्रदर्शित करते हैं. Now frequency f, the number of revolutions or rotations made by a rotating body in 1 second is called frequency. It is denoted by small f or small n. Unit is hertz और second minus 1 और per second. घूर्णन कर रहे किसी पिंड द्वारा एक सेकंड में पूर्ण की गई परिक्रमणों या घूर्णनों की संख्या को आवृत्ति कहते हैं. Now relation between frequency and time is f is equal to 1 upon t. Unit of f is dimension of f is t minus 1 and dimension of t is t. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक यू एवरीवन. प्लीज लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.